Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Prepare for a titanic battle in the world of opulent motorhomes. The 2026 battle, Ford versus Mercedes-Benz luxury motorhome, a clash between German engineering and American creativity, is put in motion. On the one hand, we have Ford's powerful engine and cutting-edge technology, which epitomize American RV excellence. Conversely, Mercedes-Benz opulent luxury and innovative design highlight the superiority of German automobiles. This is more than simply a contest. It's a titanic struggle for the pinnacle of mobile comfort and a preview of what luxury RV travel will look like in the future. Lifestyle innovation by aiming to be a smart, independent, and dynamically intelligent environment on wheels, going beyond simple transportation. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is anticipated to have an exterior design language that is both visually appealing and aerodynamically efficient. Its exterior would have streamlined lines, integrated lighting, and possibly adjustable aerodynamic components that maximize efficiency and stability at different speeds, all of which are modeled after Mercedes-Benz flagship models and concept cars. Fuel efficiency and overall performance would be improved by the use of strong, lightweight materials, perhaps including sophisticated composites. It would be immediately identifiable as a Mercedes-Benz due to its imposing yet attractive appearance, which exudes technological power and subtle luxury. The interior of the motorhome, where the amazing inventions would actually come to life, would be the real wonder. Imagine a home that skillfully combines luxurious comfort, clever design, and self-sufficient features. In some places, high-resolution, multipurpose display panels that provide augmented reality overlays of the surroundings, adjustable panoramic views, or seclusion on demand could take the role of conventional windows. Every element of the living space, including the kitchen appliances, entertainment systems, ambient lighting, and climate control, would be controlled by voice and gesture. An extremely sophisticated energy management system would probably be a significant, life-changing invention. This might include next-generation solid-state batteries that offer previously unheard-of energy storage and quick charging capabilities, along with much better integration of solar panels, possibly even transparent photovoltaic surfaces. Long stretches of off-grid living would be possible with such a setup, greatly lowering dependency on outside power sources. A nearly self-sufficient water supply might also be achieved by integrating advanced water recycling and purification systems. The kitchen would be converted into an intelligent culinary center, maybe with integrated vertical gardens for fresh vegetables, automated food preservation systems, and induction cooking surfaces that can be used as dining tables. With smart climatic zones that provide the best possible rest and mattresses that adapt to personal tastes, sleeping quarters would transform into tranquil havens. Additionally, the bathroom would undergo radical transformations, maybe incorporating cutting-edge hygiene technologies and water-saving fixtures. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome would have strong integration of digital intelligence and connectivity beyond the immediate living area. While a smart AI companion might handle daily routines, offer tailored recommendations, and proactively address maintenance needs, predictive navigation, real-time traffic analysis, and adaptive routing would optimize travel. By utilizing Mercedes-Benz groundbreaking autonomous driving technology, advanced driver assistance technologies would blur the boundaries between active driving and effortless transportation, making long-distance travel considerably safer and more comfortable. As a collection of amazing inventions, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome would essentially be a comprehensive rethinking of mobile living. It would genuinely represent the future of personal mobility and redefine what a house on wheels can be, turning travel into an experience of unmatched luxury, independence, and clever ease. Itself suggests a car designed for faster, more efficient travels as well as comfortable living on the road, appealing to customers who appreciate both luxury and dynamic functionality in their mobile home. On the outside, the 2025 Ford Speed First Edition Motorhome is expected to deviate from the typical, frequently boxy design of ordinary RVs. Taking cues from Ford's performance heritage, aerodynamic efficiency would probably be crucial. A slimmer profile, possibly with a more integrated cab-to-body design, sculpted lines, and subtly placed rear diffusers or spoilers to control airflow, could be one way to achieve this. Without a doubt, the front fascia would showcase a daring interpretation of Ford's current design language, possibly using LED lighting signatures that exude modernity and urgency. In order to reduce overall mass and support the speed-first philosophy, lightweight composite materials could be widely used in the body construction. Performance-focused wheel designs, distinctive paint jobs, and special badging would further set this limited edition car apart. The Speed First Edition Motorhome's interior is a showcase for modern elegance and elegant utility designed for effective travel. The design may emphasize a clever use of space to reduce extra bulk and enable agile mobility, all the while providing the basic amenities of a camper. Its uniqueness would be highlighted by high-quality components, including fine upholstery, strong but lightweight surfaces, and precisely designed fixtures. With a cutting-edge infotainment system with sophisticated navigation tailored for short routes, real-time traffic updates, and perhaps even integrated telematics for vehicle performance monitoring, technology would be effortlessly interwoven. For the driver to be comfortable and in control during long, fast trips, ergonomics in the cockpit would be crucial. A performance-optimized chassis would serve as the foundation for the 2025 Ford Speed First Edition Motorhome. Although a sturdy Ford truck or heavy-duty van platform would serve as the foundation, major changes would be anticipated. A suspension system that has been performance-tuned for better handling qualities and increased stability at greater speeds may fall under this category. With a high-output EcoBoost engine or a power-dense diesel unit that is specifically tuned for quick acceleration and smooth running, despite the motorhome's significant heft, the powertrain would be a crucial distinction. The enhanced power would be complemented by precise steering and sophisticated braking technologies, guaranteeing a safe and secure driving experience. The term First Edition alludes to restricted manufacturing and special amenities, appealing to early adopters seeking a distinctive and powerful motorhome. This could be exclusive access to Ford's connected services, distinctive interior trim, or specific badging. Therefore, a niche market would be targeted by the 2025 Ford Speed First Edition Motorhome. People or families that appreciate the freedom of a motorhome but won't settle for less when it comes to driving dynamics, efficiency, and a unique, high-performance look. It would embody Ford's idea of a motorhome that not only transports you there in comfort but also swiftly and stylishly.